Hey, I have good news and bad news.
Bad news first, please.
Bad news first. No, good news. Good news. Good news.
Good news.
I parked a lot closer than I thought I was going to.
Good news.
Bad news is the Catholic Church parking lot is now a tow-away zone.
It's a good thing that God passed up the church, Catholic Church, and gave us beachfront parking.
Well, we'll see how that goes, guys. I'm not super thrilled about this. We're losing a fishing spot here, and it really sucks.
Now, I will tell you one thing. Already I can see the water's murky.
Yeah.
I don't like that. Delray's been murky one day out of like 20 last time I've been there.
Well, the last 5 times I've fished Pompano, water's been dirty and murky.
What would you think?
I think it's just the way the inlet is letting out the fresh water.
Okay.
So, guys, but ultimately, this is our spot, our fishing spot. Yes, that condo was not there in all of our videos where we caught permit. That thing was not there.
You know what remains?
What remains?
Good old glory.
Old Glory. Old Glory is still there.
Right there, man.
But yeah, so it's a little sad.
Yeah, this used to be a great spot, man.
It was a great spot.
Like 2 or 3 years, it's phenomenal.
Yeah, it was a great spot. I think we're losing it, guys, because there's really no legal way for us to park anymore. And we used to have Aunt Susan living here. They kicked her out.
Summertime there won't be spaces. Well, no, wintertime there won't be spaces, but we don't really fish in winter. Summertime.
Well,
and we got, you know.
do we have permission?
Yeah.
We have permission.
Yeah, we got permission to stay.
Okay.
We just can't.
So I take it back.
We cannot have the whole crew.
I can't bring a crew here.
No, just 2 cars. I don't want to.
I'll stay our welcome.
Whatever that, you know.
All right. Well, we don't have a whole lot of time. We're gonna get fishing, and but unfortunately, guys, our parking lot we were using was it St. Gabriel, whatever it was, Catholic Church. They had a lot where you could pay by phone. They had the app there. You could pay for parties. It's a huge lot. I don't know what the heck they're gonna do with that. But
all the condo people were parking there for years.
Yeah. Well, there's nobody in that lot, but there's tow-away parking all over the place. So.
Way to make money.
Yeah. Let's get fishing. All right, guys. So. Just a little dialogue real quick. Our famous spot in Pompano, it looks like it might be sunsetting, not the sunset, but sunsetting in terms of us being able to utilize this spot. There's something funky happening with the inlet. When we first started fishing this place, this was usually clean, but the last 2 years, I'm not sure. I don't know if they're dredging or somehow. The water's coming out of the inlet and is just coming straight down the coast south, and is making the water real dirty, and it's full of algae. It's really gross. So we caught a little barracuda. I busted off on one, a little jack, but no signs of pilchards or mullet run right now. But I mean, the real point of this video, guys, is that we're losing another spot. Come here, baby. I'm all about you. Okay. Guys, this is the first mullet of the year. Oh, I love you. All right. My love. Marvelous. Marvelous. Even if it's a little jack, Oh, thank you.
Hey, watch the video. And he was like, whatever.
You on? Let's go. Oh. Well, yeah. Dude, that's a little guy, man. Saved him.
You got a McDonald's.
Oh, there we go. Hey, you want a real fish in? Oh, he came off. Ah.
You're using them for bait?
Yeah, that's our bait.
Yeah. All right, bye-bye.
All right, what's that?
Enjoy your time.
Hey, you too.
You guys, enjoy your time. Nice talking to you. Nice.
Come on. Finally. What? What the heck, man? Another baby cuda. No, I just bait's all bit up. Barracuda, guys. Little baby things.
Well, they're gonna feed me. I'm eating that guy.
Good. Lorenzo ate one last night. He's very happy.
Put a little salt and pepper, a little lemon.
That's it.
What's the guy's name?
All right. In Eric's absence. Oh, another little cuda. All right. Oh! Doggone it. Well. Little cuda. Bro, these are chunky.
Are these not the fattest ones you ever seen?
These are chunky sand fleas, bro. I think it would be really dumb if we didn't put these out. Two on one hook. Let's see. Try it. All right. Okay. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Little jack. Fun on light tackle. Relax, relax, relax. Go.
I was able to find a couple of sand fleas.
Holy cow. Bro. That's crazy.
If we needed to, we could go into the sand flea business tonight.
Okay, well, I think we should. Wow. Great.
There's millions of them there.
Yeah, they're all over the shore. Hey, we should come here this week and just load up. Yeah, it's because of monstrosities like that that are going up all up and down our coast. Like, you know, just fishable spots are just coming less and less. So guys, that's about all we got for now. Signing out. Hopefully maybe we'll catch something. If I do, I'll put it on the end of this video. If not, we got plenty more action where this comes from. We're just gonna fish Delray. It's a longer drive for us, but Delray, Boca, Pompano Beach seems to be where it's at. So guys, take care. God bless. Stay safe. Watch your lip.